Hey guys, my name is Gabriel Quest, and today I'll be doing the quiz chapter 26, number 5, which for me was number 8, and it goes as follows. 3 resistors having resistances of 4 ohms, 6 ohms, and 10 ohms are connected in parallel. If the combination is connected in series with an ideal 12-volt battery and a 2 ohm resistor, what is the current through the 10 ohm resistor? So what we're going to find, first of all, we're going to draw this circuit. It's going to look something like this. So we're going to have our battery here. Oh, that's way too thin. Have our battery, okay, hold on. Battery here. What is going on here? Okay. Our battery here, right, which is going to be 12 volts. We're going to have a resistor here, which is the 2 ohm resistor that we have for the battery. Then we're going to have the 4, 6, and 10 ohm resistors. That are in parallel, as it says. Just want to loop back around, and we have our circuit right here. So to start off, we have to, combine the ones in parallel, which in this case is not the same as we're used to. We have to invert them into fractions. It'll be 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 10, right? Which common denominator is 60, sorry. Which we have to multiply this times 6, this times 10, and this times 15, which gives us, let's see, it'll be 15 plus 10 plus 6 over 60, gives us 31 over 60. We have to invert that now, because that's just how we have to do. Use 60 over 31, right? Let's zoom out real quick and expand this. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to combine that with the 2 ohm resistor we have here. So it'll just be 2 ohms plus, oh, that's way too big. It'll be the 2 ohms plus the 60 over 31 ohms, which, okay, we multiply this times 31. It gives us 62. That gives us 122 over 31 ohms. Now we got to use this formula. I is equal to V over R, right? Then we just plug in, which in this case would be 12, which is given the volt battery, over 122 over 31. Which, if you do the math, it approximates to 3.049. And now we use that same formula. Now we're going to find V, which leaves us with V is equal to IR. We just plug in our values, which are 3.049 times our original one here, which, because all 3 of these share the same, they share the same current as what they're asking for. So we could just use the same value there, which in this case is 60 over 31. Which is equal to 5.901 volts. And then finally we solve for I, our current, and we use the same formula we were using earlier. In this case, it'll leave us with I current is equal to V over R. We plug in the values we just got, which in this case are 5.901 volts, which we just got, over 10, which leaves us with 0.5901 amps, or in this case, which is the answer, 0.59 amps. That is how you do this problem. Have a nice day.